just following us for the first time, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Turn up the notification for you to get information about us. So, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Sir Frank, the tutor. I'll be teaching you everything about YouTube, and today I want to teach you on how to create a YouTube account. So first of all you have to do is to go to your YouTube. Okay, now if you just bought your new phone you have to go to Play Store. Let's go to Play Store. Click on Play Store. Where is my place? Okay, click on Play Store. Your Play Store now. You let's check on YouTube. For those that have a new phone, YouTube. So this is now our YouTube. So you update your YouTube for it to be up to date. You update your YouTube. You can see it's spending. It's spending to start. So it's spending already. So okay, now thank God it's started downloading already. So you let us wait for it to be updated, because you need to update your YouTube channel as a YouTuber, as a first beginner, to avoid having issue, to avoid YouTube removing your account. So let's update the channel first and know how it goes. So now it's actually installing already. You can see it's installing already, and thank God for that. So let's wait for it to install finished. And okay, so thank God it has installed. So you click on open. So now this is how our YouTube channel is going to look at the first time, our YouTube, because you have done nothing. Let's assume it was search for my this thing, Sir Frank tutor. You see, it was search for this thing. You're going to see what I'm telling you about. You can see this is actually my YouTube, my channel. You can see this video I even pump up first. So now, all you have to do is to click on this icon. Click on that icon. I'll be using arrow to be showing you the icon. You click on this icon. You click on that icon. So once you click on the icon, you see it's going to bring us. You see, Izu God is the name of my email. You can see here at the top side, you see where they wrote at the top side here, you see where they wrote create channel. You have to do now is to click on create an account. You click on that place, create account. You see, so you click on create account. Once you click create account, you come here. You just have to come here this side now, and you put the name. You just tap that place and you put the name of your channel. Just assuming I want to use let me just say I want to use Nigeria movement, for example. You click save, and what that will save, you click your hashtag. See this hashtag here, you see, and the profile. You click on this profile. You just get a name. Just make sure you have already designed all these things already. Just get a profile. Assuming I'm just creating anyhow this thing, because I'm actually not going to make use of this channel. You see updated. You see everything is updated. So you don't click and create. You click create. I see the create. Click on create. You see, once you just click create, you can see our channel has been created already. Once you click that place again, it's going to show you you see Nigeria movement, blah blah blah. No more create account. You don't view. You see it's view channel, and that is how to create a YouTube channel. Very simple. And I love the video. Please kindly share the video to your friends, and also please remember to subscribe and also comment. Anything you want me to see, just let me know. Thank you so much, and God bless you. Bye.